What's going on, guys? And welcome back to the Hungry Road. Today we're here in St. Paul, Minnesota, hanging out with my boys. We're here for the weekend, hanging out. So a little while ago, I've been keeping a running list of these places you guys have recommended to me. We're here at Casper's and Runyon Nook. Casper's and Runyon's Nook. It used to be known as Mickey's Nook. It's been here for about 25 years, but it was Mickey's Nook before that. But downstairs, there's an old-ass bowling alley, 98 years old. Keep your own score type stuff. I can't imagine how often the thing has to break down there, but we'll go down there in a second, check it out. But yeah, we're starting off. We have a guy that can Lovejoy. He makes the seltzers around here for Venn Brewing, V-E-N-N. So we have a little guy here. This is called the Purple Velvet. Check it out there. Looks a little more red on camera. Oh, all the syrups at the bottom. Let me stir this, be right back. So yes, the Purple Velvet. This has pomegranate, blueberry, hibiscus, and cinnamon flavors in it. Let's go for it. That's fantastic. I love that crispy bite from the carbonation. The cinnamon's in there. I'm getting a little hint of cinnamon in there. Blueberry fruit, pomegranate fruits, they're in there. It's actually very refreshing. Of course, I wish they were a little bit stronger, but this is fine. Fine way to start off the Friday evening here. But we got a few things coming. We're going to check them out. All right, guys, our first bite have come out here. So these are going to be called, well, these are cheese curds. Obviously, you know, Wisconsin's known for their cheese curd, but Wisconsin is just to the east of Minnesota. So they share a few things there. But these are the Nook's version. These are called the Nook Curds. Honey glazed bacon cheese curds. They look fantastic. $13.75 for these guys. This is a big, heavy basket. I'm going to have plenty to eat for tomorrow. Let's go for it. We got one here at the bottom. Let's go for it. Look at that. Look at that. You see it. Let's go for it. The cheese is melt. The honey adds a bit of sweetness, a little thickness to it. I want to get some bacon in it. Yeah. That bacon adds a salty, tender, little crunchy texture to the curds here. Oh, these are fantastic. What other kinds I have here? We have dill pickle cheese curds, flaming hot cheese curds, and of course the regular. But yo, these are really good. So next up, my man Alan, make sure you follow him, Fake Superman 1986. He don't be posting of it, it's fine. He's gonna be trying some of his fries. They hand cut their fries every day, and they have fresh sea salt and cracked pepper on them. Let's give it a whirl here. We got one. Looks very good. Okay. The hand cut fry flavor is right there. It's like a natural potato. I'm gonna break his sauce up before him. He probably won't use the sauce. He probably don't even know what it is. You know what the sauce is? You got me. I got no clue. No idea. No idea what the sauce is. Oh, we got it. See? It's a ranch. A Chipotle ranch. That's fantastic. Thank you, sir. Yeah, the fries need that ranch. The fries on their own are fine. They taste well. There's a particular fry that I like. The beer battered one, a little tempura out there, get a little crunch. These are great. Natural cut fries. Let's move on. Next up, we got a little beer here. Nothing crazy. When in Rome, do the Romans do. This is a Summit. I think it's EPA, IPA. I'm not sure what it was. Let's give it a whirl. Quite bitter. Definitely hoppy. It's not hoppy. It is hoppy, but it's more bitter than hoppiness. And those kind of like go together, but it tastes more bitter than hoppy. It's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna drink it, but I wouldn't get it again. All right, guys, my food has showed up here. We have the number 7 burgers, recommended by bartender Jared back there. Make sure you come see him. He has a beautiful mustache, little handlebar thing happening there with a backwards hat. He's a cool dude. But we'll get to that in a second. But when you get a burger, you can get fries, sweet potato fries, waffle fries, onion rings. There's a variety of sides you can get, not just fries. I like that. Let's go for it. The onion rings are made in-house. Looks good. Got crunch on there. Good. Straightforward onion ring. Thin batter. Nothing crazy. Little slice of the onion right there. But Chipotle ranch fixes everything. Not that there's anything wrong with the onion ring, but
well, maybe we'll have to think that.
you just good, man. You just good. Alright. So, the Juicy Lucy. Remember my video from Matt's Bar? Click over here if you haven't seen that one yet. Juicy Lucy was it's not a patented burger or anything like that. Imagine a cheeseburger with the cheese inside the meat. So you have one thin patty, they put a piece of cheese in there, put another patty on it, and they cook it. So the cheese gets molten hot, but it like oozes out the burger when you bite into it. They have those here. They have several varieties of them. They call them stuffed burgers. It's a Juicy Lucy, it's fine. They have 4 of them. Juicy Nookie, Paul Molitor, the Spanish Fly, and then the number 7 here. So number 7 is Joe Mauer's favorite. Whoever Joe Mauer is, shout out to you. Stuffed Juicy Nookie, which is a stuffed cheeseburger served medium only. Perfect. Who wants it well done? Topped with bacon, lettuce, tomato, and smoked cheddar and chipotle mayo. So it has cheese in the burger and then cheese on top of the burger. I'm kind of scared to bite into it because of how hot it might be. But my boy Jared said I can substitute the regular bun for a pretzel bun at no charge. So that's what we're doing. Pretzel bun. Look at that monstrosity of a burger. Let's go for it. Pickles are served on it's sliding. It's sliding. This is I gotta resituate 1 second. All right, I get real close to the camera because the camera's back there. Let's go for it. We're diving in. Look at that. Look at that. As you want to see, that's fantastic. I haven't gotten the cheese on the inside yet. That kind of came out the back end. But that meat is fresh. That bacon's crispy. Lettuce and tomato are fresh. They add a little bit of a garden flavor, a little crispy flavor. It's not all just meat, you know. Another bite. So, look at this. It's all over my hand. You can see the cavity where the cheese would have been. It all came out the back. This is excellent. Just a little too much char on it.
I remember I took the bus and my boss had to pick me up. That was so embarrassing. And I was like, all right.
I like the pretzel bun, but it kind of adds a flavor I don't really need. I think I prefer it's a standard brioche or potato roll or a Kaiser roll. It kind of hides in the background of the sandwich. The pretzel kind of like pushes its way through the crowd. You do get a little bit of a pretzel flavor there. It's fine. I think the burger is a little better without the pretzel bun, but this is an excellent burger. But anyway, guys, that's my time here at the Nook in St. Paul, Minnesota. Thank you guys for having me. I appreciate it. And thanks to those who recommended this place to me. Got a pickle in my hand. But yeah, man, it's a good chill vibe. It was like a 20 to 30 minute wait on a Friday when we got here. So we grabbed pieces at the bar. First come, first serve, and hanging out. So we'll shoot downstairs, see what the bowling look like. Remember, there's never an empty tank or an empty stomach on this road. We'll still march toward 10,000 subscribers. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Follow my other socials, TikTok, Twitter, Threads, Facebook. We're making some moves out here, guys. I'm doing a big giveaway. When I hit 10,000 on YouTube. There are, guys. Take care. Stay safe. Thank you.